What's going on, guys? Congratulations to all the Melburnians who are finally out of lockdown and can move around and have a life. But I have been having a life so far, guys. It's been a great one. I've been in lockdown, but I've been productive, keeping it going, doing a lot of work in the backyard greenhouse. I've moved the macadamia to the back. I've used wires to hang up the tomatoes. And a little update on the lemon wire. It's dropped that fruit it set from last season because it wasn't productive, and it's growing new flowers and new fruits, so it's doing all right. I was sad it dropped it, but hey, don't be too greedy. Look, we have more fruits, and as you can see, there's decomposing process going on the leaf because that's the old flowers, and since there's no wind inside the greenhouse, they just sit there and, decompose. So I'll give it a good shake and dust it off. Should be all right. The coffee is looking nice. Funny how I fed some coffee to the coffee plant. Do you know why? Drop it in the comments, guys. And the strawberry tower is doing all right. I need to fix irrigation for it so there can be more water going in. I've had quite a few strawberries so far. The kids are loving it. The Vietnamese mint is loving it. The Palmer mango is loving it. 25 degrees in the greenhouse. I am loving it. So, guys, I'm going to show you how to put some clips on to the string and attach a tomato plant. Stay tuned. This is the clip, and you can buy this on eBay, or you can find these in Australia. I bought the strings from China. Come in closer. Closer. Put the clip on. Now you have this bit which is in the bottom. Just gently wrap it around the neck. Not too hard. Just gently. That's it, guys. Now as you grow it, you train it, and you bring it along till it grows tall. And then you keep releasing it from here as much you need it. So that's how you trellis the tomato plant in the greenhouse. And I've done some here, I have a few more to finish up. And I'm not happy about some of the strawberries because of the root being old, they didn't grow. So I ordered some from Garden Express, but they failed too. So I'm not sure what's wrong. Let's see what I can do about it.